like it? I think it should have some eggs inside. Oh yeah, you should try it with eggs. Okay. Usually we have it as our breakfast. 我们通常当早餐吃嘛，对不对？哎，你们喜欢葱抓饼吗？男生喜欢葱抓饼吗 ？OK， 还好，但他也觉得好像也觉得还好而已。Okay, that's okay. So please explain to everyone how it tastes like.
I think I can eat every day in the morning.
Really?
Yeah.
他说他可以每天早上都吃葱抓饼嘛。Then, if you want it to eat it every day, please come to 高雄。
我喜欢 this.
Is it really too sweet for you?
It's not that sweet.
Okay.
So I like it.
可能它是一个半糖的 you know, half sweet.
Yeah, usually when I have it, it's like so sweet. But this one is like
Then you
good
should
enough.
come to Taiwan. Because in Taiwan, we have different kind of sweet.
Oh, and how about this?
How about, I'm not sure. Maybe 50%? You think no sugar is okay too. 他真的喜欢喝哎。